Impact confirmed. Trajectory is locked in. Diverting resources to the defense grid now. Copy. All teams brace for impact.
Ready for our walk?
Yes, where to?
To the park. It's a beautiful day.
Yay!
All right, on 3. 1, 2. Oh, it's clear. Easy now. Get him to the truck. Keep moving. We're almost there.
Is she okay? I'm fine, dear. Just keep going.
Stay close. This way, Boo, now! Get to the stairs, go! Don't stop, keep moving! Keep moving, watch your step! She's breathing, but we need to hurry. Almost there, hang on! This is unprecedented. The scale is massive.
Confirmed reports of structural failures.
Evacuations are underway. It's total chaos.
We're monitoring.
Here, take this. It's clean.
Thank you. We need more. Keep moving. They're coming.
Hold on tight. I've got you.
I'm scared, Daddy.
We're almost there. Stay with me. Pressure's dropping. Get me 2 units of ONEG.
On it, Doctor. Starting the line.
Good. Keep monitoring his sats. Stay sharp, team. Watch for hot spots. Copy that. Moving to clear this side. Press on. Survivors first.
I was so scared.
It's over now. I'm here.
Don't let go of.
Never. Water and snacks coming through.
Shh. It's okay. They're bringing water.
Thank you. We appreciate it. Alert on Sector 7. Escalating now.
Confirmed. Rerouting traffic.
What's the source? Trace it. On it. Deploying countermeasure. Keep it moving, team! Watch your step on this rubble! Gotta push through. the team leads name. That's a beautiful drawing.
I'm making a spaceship.
Wow, that's amazing.
A rocket.
Search, find them. Moving this slab. Good dog, keep going. Alert! Over here! Impact confirmed. Trajectory is locked.
Casualty projections are spiking. We need to run the evacuation signal.
Initiating. Monitor the fallout. Alright, crush it! It's breaking! Watch for the spray! Got it clear. Next piece. All units report status. We need to clear this path now. Excavator, keep that butt moving. Watch for survivors. I've got you. Stay with me.
It hurts so much.
On 3, lift. 1, 2, 3. Easy now, you're safe. Look at this spike in the readings. I'm seeing a strong reaction here. Let's try the next sample. The situation is dire. We need all
Available resources.
evacuate witness now. The fires are spreading. Command, 401 responding. Moving to the hot zone.
Copy 401, watch for unstable structures.
Roger, door open. Proceeding. Listen up, team. Secure the perimeter now. Medics, get ready for extraction. Go. Station shock, people. Here, drink this.
Thank you.
It's going to be okay. Oh, it's report status. Evac these them now. Clear the path for the excavator. Move! All right, team, listen up. We need to clear this rubble. Copy that, Captain. We're on it. Good. Watch for survivors.
Radiology, this is ED. We're bringing the patient down now. All right, team, let's move to radiology. Stat. Radiology, confirm receipt.
Hey there, buddy. Want to build something tall?
Yeah, watch this.
Great job. Keep it going.
Wow, look at the size of that hurricane. It's rotating so fast. Incredible.
Fellow delegates, the asteroid's trajectory is set. We must ratify the defense initiative today. Our survival.
Good morning, class. Welcome back.
Good morning, teacher.
Are you all ready to learn today?
The new trajectory is live. Impact probability is down.
Confirmed. Rerouting the satellite now.
Thrust is green, holding at 12.5.
I'm seeing a major anomaly in Sector 7.
Confirm. Rerouting satellites for confirmation.
Escalate to command. This is critical.